So today we have the fun shooting game with the little airplanes. So we're going to open it up. Here is what it looks like. And here's all the parts you have to put on. Wait, there are more stuff in there. Hold on. Oh, this one actually comes with stickers. Come on. Yeah, and that should be it. Now these actually come with stickers. Now, this is what it looks like. And that's how it is. That just almost blinded my ear. Ow. Now it looks like we have to put this on and oh, I just realized it's upside down. Right. Alright. We got that on. So we got the other piece right here. And then this is what it looks like. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, we pulled it back. Then now, I'm afraid we put it here. Alright, so here's how it looks. Oh, it flew. Alright, so that flew, if you guys can see. So we're going to build this piece. All right. Let's do this for fun. There you go. Now we have to pull the back, and here is how it does. I just realized I'm backwards. And you can do this. And do it to the roof. Oh! Ow! Now we have this. Alright, we're gonna see if we can try. Alright, so this is how it looks. So if you guys like these and you guys want these are going to be linked down below. If you guys want these, make sure you like, comment, share, and bye!